Okay, now this is the delta to star transformation. Okay, now this is the given delta circuit is here. Okay, this is the delta circuit and this is the star circuit, that is R1, R2, R3. Delta is R12, R23 and R31. The combination of circuit is here. This is the star circuit. This is the delta circuit is here. Okay, now this is the delta to star transformation. Okay, now in delta circuit is given here and also in which we have to obtain value of R1. That is, we obtain value of R1, R2 and R. That means in delta to star, delta is given. Then we have to obtain value of star. That is R1 is R1, R2 and R3. Okay. This is the concept of delta to star transformation. Okay, now this is the given delta circuit is there, R12, R23 and R30. Okay, now in this circuit the resistance R12, that is here, the resistance R12 circuit is parallel to the R31 and R23, that is here. This resistance R12 is parallel to the R31 and R23, but R23 and R31 are connected in series. This is the important concept is R31 and R23 connected in series. Okay, now this is the important concept in delta is R12 is parallel to the R31 and R23, but R31 and R23 connected in series. And this is the very important equivalent diagram need to convert delta to star transformation. Okay, this is the important concept is here, that is called as delta to star transformation. Okay, now this is the given delta circuit and this is the equivalent circuit between two parameters, that is parallel parameter and series parameter. Here parallel parameter like is R12 is parallel to the R31 and R23 and both are connected in series. And this is the phenomenon of delta circuit. Okay, now we have to obtain parameter. Next point is parameter. Okay, now here we have to need R12, that is this R12 is parallel to the R31 and R23, that is R12 is parallel to the R31 and R23, that is here R31 and R23 and this is the R2. Okay, now this is the parallel, but R31 and R23 connected in series. This R31 and R23 connected in series, then we are taking addition, it is plus because both are connected in series. Okay, now here the R12 is the value. Now here R12 is here. This is the value of R1, that is R1 is equal to R12 and R2 is equal to R31 plus R23. Then we are taking here, we are taking R12 into R2 upon R1 plus R2 because both are connected in parallel, that is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, that is both are connected in parallel, then 1 upon R2 plus R1 divided by R1 into R2, then goes to the upper side, then obtain R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay, now this is the phenomena for delta connection. Okay, now this is the phenomena for delta. That is, we have explained here delta circuit. Okay, this is the concept of delta. Now we have need star connection. Okay, now here this is the star connection is here. Now this is the value of R1, R. Okay, now in this circuit the resistance R1 and R2 is here. The resistance R1 and R2 connected in series. Okay, but parallel to the R3, that is here, parallel to the R3. Okay, that means resistance R1 and R2 connected in series and R3 connected in parallel. This is for star connection. Delta connection is delta connection. R12 is parallel to the R31 and R23, but R31 and R23 connected in series. This is the phenomena of delta, and we have to explain also star phenomena is here. Okay, now we have to obtain value of R12, then obtain value of R21, obtain R31. That is, we have to need here R12 means we have to need R1 into R2, then we have to need R21, that is R2 into R1, then R31 means R3 into R1. Okay, now this is the phenomena of delta. That is R12, R21 and R31. This is the delta, and star is R1, R2 and R3. Okay, now this is the phenomena for star. Okay, now this is the star connection is here, and this is the delta connection is here. Now we have to obtain, next point is R1 plus R2, then obtain R2 plus R3, then we have to obtain R3 plus R1. Okay, now here R1 plus R2 is here. Okay, now R1 plus R2, that is here. The value of resistance is R1 plus R2 is here. Okay, that is R1 and R2, that is here. Okay, then this R1 R2 is here. Then R1 plus R2, that is R1 plus R2, that is we have consider here R1 plus R2 is both are connected in series, that is R1 plus R2 connected in series. Okay, at that instant the R12 is connected in series and R31 and R23 connected in parallel. Okay, that is here series means R12. Connected in series, we are taking series means we are taking dot. Okay, then parallel is R31. R31 is here plus R23 upon equivalent resistance is R12 plus R23 plus R31. And this is the value of R12, that is both are connected in series, that is R1 plus R2. This is the equation is here. This is for R1 plus R2. Similarly for R2 plus R3. Same procedure follow for R2 plus R3. That is here R2 plus R3. Then R23 connected in series. That is here connected in series. Then we are taking dot. Okay. Then R31 and R12 connected in parallel. It is we are taking R31 plus R12. That is this parameter is parallel. That is R31 and R12, and this is the series parameter. Then here it is we obtain two parameters, that is series parameter and parallel parameter. Then both are, it is we obtain S into P upon S plus P. The series parameter is R23, that is here S into P, that is we have considered S into P upon S plus P. Okay, then series parameter, that is S, that is R23. Okay, into parallel parameter is R31 R12, that is R31 plus R12 upon S plus P, that is S means R23 plus P, that is R31 plus R12. Okay, now this is for R2 plus R3. Okay, then same for R3 plus R1. That is here R3, that is here R3 and R1 is here. Then R31 connected in series is here. Then R12 is here and R23 are connected in parallel. Then we are taking addition. That is R12 plus R23 upon R12, R23 and R30. That is we are taking addition is here. And this is for R3 plus R1. Okay, now this is the phenomena for R1 plus R2, R2 plus R3 and R3 plus R1. Okay, and this is equation is called as C equation, that is here. This is equation is called as D equation is here. This equation is called as E equation here. Okay, now here the equation D and equation C, it is very important. Then subtract equation D minus C, that is we obtain D minus C equation here. Then R1 plus R2 is here minus, as it is minus R2 plus R3, that is R2 minus R3. Okay, then here the numerator and denominator. Okay, then here denominator is here is same. Then we are taking one time, that is R12 plus R23 plus R30. Then this is the upper side is here. Okay, then this is here. It is here. Okay, then here plus R2 minus R2 get cancelled, then obtain R1 minus R3. Okay, the next equation is, it is R1 minus R3. Okay, then here the R12 is multiplied by R31, that is R12 then R31. Okay, plus R12 into R23. Okay, that is multiplied by R1 is here, then R1 is here. Similarly for R31, R23, R31, R23, R1. Then minus R23, R31 minus R23, R12 upon, as it is, R12 plus R23 plus R31. Okay, now here minus 23 R12 and plus R12 R23 get cancelled. Then obtain R12 R31 minus R23 R31 is equal to, is get cancelled, that is R1 minus R3. This next equation is here, that is R1 minus R3 is equal to R12 into R31 minus R23 into R1 upon R12 plus R23 plus R31. This is equation is called as F. Then here next is adding equation F and E. That is F equation is here and E equation is here. That is E equation is here. Okay, that is addition of equation number E and F. Okay, that is here R3 plus R1 is R3 plus R1 is here, R1 minus R3 is here. Then here this is the same. Then this is the same is here. That is R12 plus R23 plus R31. That is same is here. Then here R12, R31 as it is minus R23 minus R23 into R31 is here. Okay, then R31, R12 plus R23 for equation E. That is R31, R12 plus R23 as it is here. Okay, now here we have to need next equation is, then here R3 minus R3 get cancel. Then R1 twice R1. Okay, then R12, R31 as it is. Then R31 and R23 as it is. Then R31, R12 as it is. Then R31 again multiply by this R23, that is R23. Okay, that is multiplied by 31 to R12 and R23. Okay, then here minus 23 and 31 is cancel is here. Okay, minus 23 and R31 is cancel is here. Then remaining part is R12, R31, R12, R31. That is we are taking addition. That is 2R12 into R31. Then 2R1 as it is and R12 plus R23 plus R31 is here. Then this 2 is multiplied, then get to the divide is here. Then 2 to get cancel. Then R1 is equal to R12 into R31 upon R12 plus R23 plus R31. Okay, this is for resistance R1. Okay, now we have to obtain R2 and R3 with the help of this equation. It is here. Okay, now here we obtain value of R1 is here. Okay, then R1 is connected in series. It is R1 connected in series. It is R12. Okay, and R31. That is R31. Okay. Now here the R1 is parallel to the R12 and R31. Both are connected in series. That is R12 and R31. Both are connected in series but parallel to the R1. That is parallel to the R1. That is R1 is equal to R12 R31. But upon we have to need addition of R12, R23 and R31. That is here. And this R1, that is this R1 is parallel to the R12 and R31. But this R31 and R12 connected in series. Then we are taking R12 into R31. Okay, but R12 and R23 and R31 are connected in parallel. Then we are taking addition sign. This is for resistance R1. Similarly for R2 we obtain R2 is here. Okay, then resistance R2 is here. Okay, then R2 is parallel to the R12 and R23. But these both resistance are connected in series. That is R12 and R23. And parallel to the R1, R23 and R31, that is here. Okay, now this is for resistance R2. Okay, then similarly for R3, that is resistance R3 is here. This resistance R3 is here, parallel to the R31 and R23, but both are connected in series. This R23 and R31 are connected in series, that is both resistance are connected in series, that is here. Okay, but R3 is parallel to the, but R3, that is here, R3 is parallel to the R12, R23 and R31. Then we are taking addition, that is R12 plus R23 plus R31. Okay, now this is for resistance R1, R2 and R3. Okay, now this is for value of resistance, that is we obtain R1, R2 and R3. Okay, now this is the phenomena of delta to star. Okay, that is we have obtained value of R1, R2 and R3 with the help of R12, R23 and R31. This is the phenomena of delta to star equivalent. That is, in this delta to star, first we have to need delta circuit, star circuit, then we have to need given condition in delta circuit, that is R12 is parallel to the R31 and R23, but R31 and R23, that is both are connected in series in delta. Okay, similarly for star, R1 and R2 connected in series, that is here, but R3 is parallel. Okay, then we have to obtain value of R1 plus R2, R2 plus R3 and R3 plus R1 with the help of combination of delta to star. This is the very important circuit diagram in delta to star transformation. Then we have subtract equation D minus C. Then obtain next equation is R1 minus R3. Then obtain this equation, that is called as F equation. Then adding F equation and E equation. Okay, then we obtain value of R1. Then with the reference of R1 value, then we obtain value of R2 and R3. And this total phenomena is called as delta to star transformation. Okay, now this is the way